I'm here with David Tickell, who's from our Public Works Department over streets and traffic. And so we are getting ready for the cold weather, David, as a city. And one of the things we're doing is preparing our roadways. So we actually have this truck behind us. Tell me a little bit about this.
Yeah, this is one of our dump trucks that we typically use for our storm water when we're clearing out ditches. We convert it during this time of year whenever we need it for to add the salt spreader on here, so we can spread some chat rock or salt, whatever's needed at the time.
So are we preparing to do that at this point in time?
Yes, this truck's outfit is ready to go. We don't put the materials in to the last minute because we want to keep everything dry, but we keep it covered for now, and it's ready to go when the frigid weather hits us.
Now, there are some trouble spots in League City that typically will freeze. Tell us about those.
So the spots I like to always note, the first thing to freeze is League City Parkway Bridge going over the railroad tracks. That's the very first one. Right after that, we'll hear about Barrier Boulevard over the creek. And then we know at that time, then the smaller ones will slowly start to freeze too, depending on the temperature.
So how do you guys work with TDOT? Because I know there's a lot of TDOT roadways that go through our city as well.
So we get with TDOT ahead of time. We talk to them about the problem areas. They many times will pre-treat depending on the weather conditions, and then they will treat during the freeze, and we'll be in constant contact with them.
Now, should power go out, let's hope it doesn't, the traffic lights throughout the city will actually last for quite some time with battery power. Is that correct?
Yeah, so we've had a multi-year project where we've been placing the battery backups on the traffic lights. We've made it roughly halfway through the city so far, but all traffic lights do have the battery backup. But we have those that last quite a long time, and then we have mini generators that we can just go plug in real quick if the lights do go out.
And those are all stocked up with fuel, ready to go. Should we have to take those out?
Yeah, they've all been tested and fueled up. They're ready to go.
Well, thank you, League City, David Tickell, for keeping us up to date and also for making sure that we're all ready for the storm. And League City, make sure you're ready for the storm as well, or for this Arctic blast that is coming in. Want to protect your plants, your pipes, people, and of course your pets.